Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going over my October monthly haul. Before we jump into the video, I did want to do a little PSA. I am wearing my Rachel the Great logo shirt right now, and you can get yours at the link in my description box. I have 5 designs of shirts, one of which does have a portion of the proceeds going to charity, and I would really appreciate your support for the channel if you would like a really cute comfy t-shirt. And if you're new to my channel, I am on a low buy for the year of 2019. From January through December, I am on a low buy, and I have set a budget amount of $150 a month on makeup. Some months I've undershot it by quite a bit, some months I've overshot it, so it's kind of been up and down, and I'll definitely do like a recap roundup thing at the end of the year. But that's why I'm doing these monthly hauls, to hold myself accountable to that number that I set and try and, I don't know why I'm at a loss for words today. I'm trying to be accountable and stick to my budget, and doing these hauls, not only does it let you guys know what new products I have in case you want me to review them or use them in tutorials, whatever, but it also helps you guys to keep me accountable, which is really helpful. So this month I was actually pretty organized, and I wrote all my transactions down, added them up, and I don't have to be like, we'll see, I already know. So the first purchase, I went to Ulta because they were having like a point multiplier or something like that, and I got some new holiday releases. So first I got the Too Faced Better Not Pout But If You Do Keep It Glossy gloss set. I took them all out because I have been using them. This is the one I'm wearing today, which is the eggnog one. They are supposed to be like the liquid lipsticks from the set last year, where they're scented like they're named. But honestly, I don't think this smells like eggnog at all. The only one I think that smells like its name is the peppermint one. The other ones I don't think smell like their names at all, but they're really pretty, really like glittery glosses. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just wearing this over a nude lip liner. And I got this set because I liked 2 of the colors and I wanted to gift 2 of the colors. And it has peppermint bark, eggnog, spice cake, and sugar plum. And this set does retail for $25. I also got the Too Faced Hot Buttered Rum palette. This is a mini palette with 8 shades, and it's very warm toned, and it smells like hot buttered rum. Yeah, this definitely smells like what it's supposed to, and it's in that tin packaging, and it was only $25, which I don't think is bad for a Too Faced mini palette, especially with these are decent sized pans. And I have played with it. I do like the performance on these shadows, and I do like the colors, especially my favorite is this yellow, which is actually the buttered rum shade. It's the one that matches the packaging, and I don't think without this yellow I would have gone for this palette, but because it has this like orangey golden yellow, I really wanted it, and it's a beautiful palette. I just can't stop smelling it. The last thing I got from that Ulta trip was the Stila Blue Realm palette. This is one of their holiday releases. It has these 6 shades in it. And I actually did an eye look mostly using this palette today. I used the 2 matte tones and this purple duochrome right here. And then I used a couple other purple shades from another palette to really purple up the look. But I really love the way these shadows perform, and this is such a unique color story. For $30, I am totally happy with this palette. The next purchase I made was at Target. When I was in New York, I decided I wanted to buy myself makeup as a souvenir to remember my time there. So I went to Target and I found this Makeup Obsession palette called Be in Love, and it is a 10 pan palette with these colors right here. It really reminds me of like a bridal color scheme. It's really beautiful, and it was only $9.99. And I love that these pans are removable and it's magnetic, so you can like pop them in your travel palette or whatever you want, and they're actually really decent quality. I think this brand is owned by Makeup Revolution. Yeah, it says Revolution Beauty on here, but I think it's exclusive to Target. So if you want to check them out, definitely check out your local Target. But I'm happy with this palette. I think it's stunning and great quality. The shimmers aren't the most like Babam metallic, but the mattes are beautiful. And you know, if you're going for like a bridal look, you probably don't want a metallic shimmer anyway. You want something a little more like a subtle sheen. So that's probably what they were intended to be. Anyway, I'm gonna stop babbling, and if I didn't say, this was $9.99. The next purchase that I made was I ordered some single shadows to go in my winter palette. So I'm not going to show those to you. I'm going to wait until my winter palette reveal. But I did buy 12 singles from Coastal Scents for $3 each, but I did have a discount code that saved me $3.60. So I basically got like one plus a little bit for free, and I think they're alright. They're not the most amazing singles, but they're alright, and I think $3 was an appropriate price point, and I was really happy that I could get so many for so cheap. So I'm excited to show you guys my winter palette. It is almost done. The last couple of purchases I made were at Rite Aid. I have a Rite Aid right by my work. I go there a lot on my lunch break, and they have a lot of makeup sales, and it just gets to me. So the first sale that they had was if you get 2 items from Dollface Cosmetics, you get $7 cash back. And these were $12 each, but I also got $7 cash back on them. So I don't know how you would count that, but these are their gel cushion blush in the shade Nudie and Gossip. And I tried wearing them today, and I tried applying them with a sponge, and they were just too sheer, and I ended up layering a powder blush on top. So I'm going to try again with a brush and again with my fingers to see which application method is best, because these are beautiful. Like when I swatch them, they're so beautiful. And I've always wanted to learn how to use a liquid blush, so I'm excited to play with these. The next sale they had was with Kokie. It was like buy one get one free, so I got 2 palettes, and I only paid $12.99 for 2 of them because it was buy one get one free. And I kept the Peachy Queen palette for myself, and I saved the other one for Rachmas, which I'm super excited about that coming up. But the Peachy Queen palette really reminded me of the Modern Renaissance, which I lost to the mold. So I'm happy to have these colors back in my collection. Just playing with it once or twice, not the best formula in the world, but I've also used worse. But I don't know, it's one of those really sheer buildable formulas, like you gotta build. The last thing I got from Rite Aid was 2 Almay lipsticks, and these were on sale but not on sale. The sign was in the wrong spot and it was confusing, so in small print it said excluding lip products, and Almay was 70% off, but the cashier was nice and applied the discount because I thought they were on sale. So these were $2.07 each. I got the shade Mix It Up, which is a blue shimmery topper, and then the shade Dream, which is a navy cream shade. And I don't have any lipsticks like these ones at all, and I already know I like this formula as far as the Almay lip vibes, so I'm really happy that I got these at such a good deal. So how did I do for the month of October? Well, I know that the Rite Aid shopping trips were because I was having some stress in my life in using, you know, retail therapy. So I feel like those put me over, and looking at the total, we have a total of $163.52 for the month of October, and that is $13.52 over the budget of $150. So overall, I'm not too disappointed in myself because it was only like $13 over budget, but at the same time it's still disappointing that I failed this month. But maybe if I get, or when I get to the end of the year, if I like add everything up and like do like a yearly budget of 12 times 150 and like all the times I've been under versus all the times I've been over, maybe it'll even out and I'll be okay. Maybe. We'll see. One can hope. Fingers crossed. I'm really trying to rein myself in this November, but I do already have one like impulse shopping trip that I made to Ulta, plus I tried to order from Jeffree Star, my first purchase from Jeffree Star. We'll see how that goes because I heard a lot of orders are getting canceled. Mine might. I haven't got a shipping confirmation. Mine might. And also I need to order a couple more shades for my winter palette to make it feel truly like complete and exactly how I want it. So there's a few more purchases in November, but I think I'm gonna like cut myself off and just really try and keep it low in November and December to see if maybe I can make up for all the times I've gone over throughout the year. Here's hoping. What are your thoughts on all of these products I purchased in the month of October? I'd love to hear what products you want me to do videos with. If you've used any of the products, your thoughts on them. And if you are on a low buy or no buy, I'd love to hear how you're doing. If you're doing a video series on it, I'd love to watch and follow your journey, so let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye!